In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio spectrum in CapCut PC. If you want to create that cool animated waveform effect that moves with your music, CapCut gives you a couple of very easy ways to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the two simplest methods, and then I'll show you how to make the spectrum look cleaner and fit perfectly in your edit. The first method uses built-in animated spectrum stickers inside CapCut. To get started, go to the top left menu bar and click on Stickers. Once you're there, use the search bar and type in Spectrum or Audio Wave. You can also browse through the music category if you want to see more options visually. CapCut usually includes a variety of animated designs, so take a moment to choose one that matches the style of your video. When you find a spectrum animation you like, drag it down onto track 2, placing it directly above your audio track. This is the quickest option because the animation is already prepared for you, so you can drop it in and move on. The second method uses a custom green screen spectrum clip. This is a great option if you already have a specific spectrum animation you want to use. Drag your spectrum video overlay onto track 2, then select the clip, and in the top right panel, go to Video and then Cutout. Turn on Chroma Key, click the color picker eyedropper, and select the green background in the preview window. After that, increase the strength setting until the green background disappears and only the bouncing spectrum remains visible. The goal here is to isolate just the animated spectrum cleanly, so adjust carefully until it looks smooth. Once your spectrum is added using either method, the next step is to style it so it fits your project. Stretch the spectrum clip so it matches the full length of your music. This helps the effect stay on screen for the entire section you want. Then go to Video and Basic in the top right Properties panel and change the blend mode to Screen. This usually helps the spectrum blend more naturally into your footage or background. Finally, use the preview handles to resize the spectrum and place it anywhere you want in the frame. You can keep it subtle at the bottom of the screen or make it more prominent depending on your layout. And that's it. Your audio spectrum is now set up and ready to enhance your music visuals in CapCut PC.